and Happy New Year. Today's video, we are once again talking about Talisa Jewelry. Now, Talisa Jewelry was actually a company that I spoke on last year, and I unboxed some of their most beautiful pieces. And one of my favorite pieces that I think I get complimented on every single time, especially if I'm in short sleeves, a dress, what have you, at any event, is my Talisa bracelet. It is a zodiac sign bracelet. It actually, I had customized with mine and my husband's zodiac sign. So when Talisa reached out and they said, Rhonda, we'd love to work with you again, and we just launched this new precious spot map jewelry, would you be interested in it? Went on their website, I checked it out, and I said absolutely, because this would be a perfect addition to my Talisa bracelet that I already have. Now, what this particular jewelry is, you can choose a bracelet or you can choose it to be a customized necklace, and it is where you find a special place, whether it's where you got engaged, where you got married, where you gave birth to your child. It could be a beautiful push present. It could be so many things, but it's specific to a place on the map that means memories to you. And when it came to customizing this bracelet, I said absolutely. So if you've never heard of Talisa Jewelry, they specialize in customized jewelry. It's very different than I feel like what you're used to, you know? What I love about Talisa Jewelry is it is truly a company where you are making memories with the pieces of jewelry that you are customizing. Now, if you check out their website, there are other jewelry pieces to choose from on their website, but my favorite part of their website, obviously, is the customization side of things. So when it came to choosing this beautiful bracelet, which is just completely the perfect addition to any type of bracelet stack, I thoroughly enjoyed the process because it was so flippin' easy. Now, when it came to customizing this particular piece of jewelry, you get to customize the precious metal that you want your piece to be in. So whether it is silver, gold, or 18 karat vermeil, they have that. As far as the bracelets go, I love the fact that they offered different sizes. I chose the 6.5 inch bracelet. They also offered a 7.5 inch bracelet. So that was something that I thought was wonderful. If you are choosing to do this particular style, the precious map style, in a necklace, they also offer different lengths when it came to that too. Now, what I thought was so wonderful about this is I decided to go with the location of where my husband and I were married. So with that said, when you are going through and you are customizing this bracelet, it is literally customized by you. There is a spot where you can type in exact location that you're looking for. Say something simple like Paris, France. All right. So you are able to go in there and put Paris, France. And then if you want to add a stone or a larger stone, like I did do the larger diamond stone on my piece, you can add that. If you don't want to add a stone, you don't have to. What I thought was so intriguing is when I was choosing the location, this is also what you will receive, a little velvet pouch with a little card with the location that you chose. I specifically put in there North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. That's where we were married, on the beach. And specifically, we were married in between two beaches. And I was able to zoom in on the website and choose our exact location of where we were married. And so you can see on the card that it is right there. And then when they go and put it into your bracelet or your fine piece of jewelry, you can see it's right there. How fun is that? This is the perfect conversation piece. This is going to make an excellent gift, whether you are, like I said, using it as where you got married, where you went on your honeymoon, maybe where you were engaged, or if you want to take it a different direction and maybe where you graduated from college, or give it as a push present and where you delivered your child. There are so many different options when it comes to choosing the special place that has a special memory in your heart and putting it on a piece of jewelry. I just think makes an amazing gift. So when it came to, like I said, designing this special piece, It was so easy and effortless, and there is a price point that is going to fit everybody's budget. And I just wanted to clip in to show you how easy it was to go ahead and create my beautiful piece. Right here you can see you're choosing whatever style precious metal that you're looking for. From there you're going to go ahead and choose the length of the bracelet. There's 2 different lengths that you can choose from, and then you can go ahead and type in any location that you're looking for, and you can be very, very specific. The more specific, honestly, the better. So you go ahead and it's going to place it on the map for you. From there, you're going to go ahead and choose the exact location. Now, what I loved about this is I could easily zoom in, you can zoom out, whatever you want for this memory. Then from there, once you find the location that you are looking for and that you want on your piece, you're going to go ahead, and this feature I absolutely loved, you click the jewelry view. Once you click the jewelry view and you've chosen your location, you can decide if you want to upgrade and put a diamond in there, and you can zoom around on there, and it's literally to where you want it to be. It's that simple. So if you were looking to add a special piece of jewelry to either your jewelry stack or to a loved one, I really think that this bracelet would be perfect. And to add a little detail, I love the fact that the little added detail at the end of the bracelet. Now, is that not adorable? And you can see it is adjustable too, but I love that added detail feature. Like I said, when it comes to Talisa, you are getting beautiful quality and you are getting to customize it. Now, when it does come to returns, Talisa does offer a 30-day return policy if the jewelry for some reason has not met your needs. Now, just read the fine print on that, and I will have that in the description box for you all. They do offer a warranty with their pieces, but like I said, I had this customized piece done well over a year ago, and I absolutely love it. I've not had not one issue. I wear it literally like permanent jewelry, and I am so excited to be able to add this piece to my collection. Like I said, it is a perfect conversation piece. So if you are looking to elevate your jewelry collection, definitely check out Talisa. I do want to say a big ginormous thank you to Talisa for working with me in today's video. The process of customizing this particular piece was so easy, and I think you're going to find it very easy as well. I'll have all information down in the description box for you guys, and let me know what you are picking up, the necklace or are you picking up the bracelet? They have different faces on the bracelets and on the necklaces too. So like I said, I think there's going to be something for everyone. Anyways, friends, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. All information will be pinned in my comment section, and of course I will have all the information in the description box too. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky.
Keep it cool with you. I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.